Today we are going to see or create our first script. Let's begin. So for that you will have to click on this briefcase first. Click on new project. Here you go. This is our scratch page where we are going to write our first script. So before beginning any script, make an habit to give the title to the script. So let us give the name as our first script. Okay, so in this little script I will tell you how we are going to use these blocks to execute or to make this little cat to do some activities. So let's begin. So the first thing that we have to choose is go to the event section, the yellow block, and drag the when flag clicked block in the center. So this is the page where we are going to drag our blocks. Okay, so we are dragging the block which says when flag click. Okay, the block says when flag clicked. Okay, go to the sensing section, which is light blue color, and drag the block which says ask what's your name and wait. And see, we have to place this little block in such a way that it gets wrapped around or it gets attached, we can see, into the first block. So our blocks should attached around the first block. Now if I just want to check what exactly this means, you can see on clicking the green flag. So what happens? The cat asks for what your name is, and there is a little block which appeared to type your name. For example, I type my name and enter. So the script is stopped. So now let me add something else to the script. Let me add the block from looks. So if I drag this block and which says say hello, and then again you have to attach it to the previous block. Okay, just check what it does. And if I run, so it is asking, the cat is asking for your name first. So you type in your name and then it says hello. Now let us add something interesting to the script. For example, why not the cat say the name that we type? Do you think it's possible? Yes, it is. Let me go to the block which says operator. Okay, and now here what we will do is we are going to drag a block which says join. Okay, this block is called join. Instead of saying hello, we will join the answer that we type in here when it says what's your name and the word hello also. Okay, so we want the answer to be joined with hello. So go to the sensing, pick up the block which says answer, drag the block, and you just have to match this shape where we are placing. We can either place it to the left or to the right. However, what we want is we want hello and the name that we type. So we are going to attach this block in the second circle. And here I will write hello with a comma. And let me put this block in here. Can you see the matching lights up the previous block? Now let's check what happens. Observe the little cat and what it says. Now it was previously saying just hello. To run the script, we have to press the green flag. So the cat is asking what's your name. So type in your name, press the enter, and say it says hello Kirti. Now let us add some motion to the cat. For a while I will take these two blocks and put it aside from the main script. The main script is this block. Okay, so I'm just putting it aside of the space, and now we'll add some motion to the cat. So which color we have to select? We have to select the blue color to add motion. So let me add the motion to the cat to move. So let the cat move 10 steps, okay, when the flag is clicked. and check if it does move. Can you see the cat is moving? If you can just zoom this and see, when I click the flag, the cat moves. When I click the flag, the cat moves. So I have to continuously click the flag to make the cat move. Let me add another motion of turning the cat. So let me add the motion of turn to 15 degrees. So now, whenever the green flag is clicked, it will move 10 steps and it will rotate 15 degrees. So let us check. So now check. When I press the green flag, the cat moves and rotates. When I press the green flag, the cat moves and rotates. If I press the green flag continuously, you can see that the cat is moving as well as it is rotating. But to move and rotate the cat, I have to continuously press the green flag. To avoid continuously pressing the green flag, let me show you another way of moving the cat for a specific period of time. So just go to the control block and drag the repeat option. So you can see and place the block in such a way that it wraps around the two blocks. So what exactly will happen now is when the green flag is pressed, it will repeat 10 times. And as the repeat block is wrapped around the blue blocks, so it will repeat the blue blocks 10 times. So if you can check now, if I press the green button, see the cat is rotating. I don't have to press the green flag again and again. So if I press the green flag again, the cat rotates 10 times. You can play around with this number. You can add, for example, 30. You can change the steps. You can change the degrees of motion. So if I play again, so you can see the cat is rotating for 30 times. The cat is rotating and moving for 30 times. So I don't have to press the green flag again and again. Let me show you another example. I will just drag the blue blocks aside, and instead of repeat, let me put the forever block. So it does get attached, and now if I move the motion block inside the forever block, so just check what happens. As you can see, the cat is continuously moving. So the blue blocks are executed forever number of times. So it is continuously executed. To stop this, we have to press the stop button. Now the cat is rotating continuously. But I want to stop the cat in between when I do certain things or when I press a certain key. So let me add that. So for that, I will drag a block of if from the control section. As you can see, the if then else block here has a small hole in it which needs to be filled in. Now I will take out the blue blocks from the forever and place it inside the else part. Here I would like to add a sensing option in the hole which is not filled at the moment. So let me drag the block which says key pressed from the sensing. And as you can see, the block gets attached to the previous block. So you should match the shape. Now I will add this if block inside the forever. So forever, it is cat is going to check if the key space is pressed, and then it will do this section which is the blank at the moment. So we have to add something when the key is pressed, and if the key is not pressed, the cat will move 10 steps and rotate 15 degrees. So let me add the ask what's your name and join hello answer inside the if condition. So now forever is wrapped around the entire if else. So forever the cat will check if the space is pressed, it will ask his name. If the space key is pressed, it will ask your name and say hello to you. Else, if the key is not pressed, it is going to execute the else part. So it will move around for 10 times and rotating 15 degrees. Okay, so let us check running the script. So you have to press the green flag. So as you can see, the cat is continuously rotating and I haven't pressed anything at the moment. So this part is getting executed, which says move 10 steps and rotate 15 degrees. Okay, now let us check how this part is executed. So let me press the space key and see the cat stopped and it is asking for name. So let it type your name, type and then press enter. And see, it is continuously rotating again with the answer, right? So let me stop this. Wow, you have already learned so many things today in just about 10 minutes within a single script. Let us recall the things that we did in 10 minutes ago. So today you learned how to move the cat, how to turn into a specific degrees. Also, you learned about the if-else statement, the forever statement, and previously, if you remember, we have also learned about the repeat until statements. So, in this script, single script, you have learned so many things and you have also executed so many activities for this little cat. This was all about for today. Let's meet up in the next video to perform and enjoy some more activities using Scratch. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon.